Alright, you guys, I made a video on how to cook bacon. I made a video on how to cook grits. I made a video on how to saute shrimp. Now we're going to put that all together and make shrimp and grits. So we're going to put our grits on the bottom. Spread them out a little bit. Alright. Then we're going to put some cheese on it. Just some cheddar cheese. And if your grits are still hot, then that'll melt. Then we're going to put some bacon on that. I've taken like 2 pieces of bacon and chopped that up. So there you have that. And lastly, the shrimp. And shrimp and grits. And if you'd like to, you can finish that off with parsley, just for presentation. I don't have any parsley, so this is basil. And that's it.